SIM code. In this video, we will create airline booking system database. Creating the airline booking system database. Execute the query. Now, selecting the airline booking system database. Execute the query. Creating the travel_class table. Adding field, travel_class infrared. Data type, int. This is the primary key for the travel_class table, uniquely identifying each travel class. Adding field, seat_capacity. Data type, int. This field stores the number of seats available in the travel class. Adding field, travel_class_description. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the description of the travel class. Execute the query. Creating the passengers table. Adding field, passenger_ID. Data type, int. This is the primary key for the passengers table, uniquely identifying each passenger. Adding field, first_name. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the first name of the passenger. Adding field, last_name. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the last name of the passenger. Adding field, phone_number. Data type, varchar, 50. This field stores the phone number of the passenger. Adding field, email_address. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the email address of the passenger. Adding field, address. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the address of the passenger. Adding field, City. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the city of the passenger. Execute the query. Creating the flights table. Adding field, flight underscore ID. Data type, INT. This is the primary key for the flights table, uniquely identifying each flight. Adding field, flight underscore number. Data type, varchar, 50. This field stores the flight number. Adding field, destination. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the destination of the flight. Adding field, starting underscore from. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the origin of the flight. Adding field, departure underscore net. Data type, date time. This field stores the departure time of the flight. Adding field, arrival underscore time. Data type, date time. This field stores the arrival time of the flight. Adding field, aircraft underscore type. Data type, varchar, 255. This field stores the type of aircraft used for the flight. Execute the query. Creating the bookings table. Adding field, booking underscore ID. Data type, INT. This is the primary key for the bookings table, uniquely identifying each booking. Adding field, passenger underscore ID. Data type, INT. This field links to the passenger making the booking. Adding field, flight underscore ID. Data type, INT. This field links to the flight being booked. Adding field, date underscore booking underscore made. Data type, date. This field stores the date the booking was made. Adding field, booking under status fraud. Data type, voucher, 50. This field stores the status code of the booking. Execute the query. Creating the payments table. Adding field, payment underscore ID. Data type, int. This is the primary key for the payments table, uniquely identifying each payment. Adding field, booking underscore ID. Data type, int. This field links to the booking associated with the payment. Adding field, payment underscore amount. Data type, decimal, 102. This field stores the amount of the payment. Adding field, payment underscore date. Data type, date. This field stores the date of the payment. Adding field, payment underscore status thread. Data type, voucher, 50. This field stores the status code of the payment. Execute the query. Inserting sample data into the travel underscore class table. Execute the query. Inserting sample data into the passengers table. Execute the query. Inserting sample data into the flights table. Execute the query. Inserting sample data into the bookings table. Execute the query. Inserting sample data into the payments table. Execute the query. Displaying the contents of the travel_class table. Execute the query. Displaying the contents of the passengers table. Execute the query. Displaying the contents of the flights table. Execute the query. Displaying the contents of the bookings table. Execute the query. Displaying the contents of the payments table. Execute the query. Airline booking system database setup, table creation, data insertion, and table display completed successfully. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more.